UGMs के सांगमा मंत्री बथमाय जगतरा का कोई कखिया उलोंग बका सरकार बरंकार की डॉक्टर की नर्स की लाले शिबुन की एक बभा बनेले प्रशाय के जिंगपंग खलाम कोविड-19 नागलियांग जो उन याय बतेंग मंत्री ये की कम वाला दामन ता के जिंगपंग कलास दांग बन हियार उलोंग बकने के जिंगहियार के जिंगपंग गदे नमर के जिंगत्रे भाज का सरकार रिंकार की बदन हकतरा का कोई कखिया
I've just recently taken over, and we are closely monitoring the situation. And in terms of the whole system that is in place, I think that all our officers, all our medical professionals, they're all working very, very hard. And the situation as we see it today, is something that is under control, and we're hoping that it'll get much better in the coming days.
So third wave is something which is anticipated. But right now we are going low. Anyways, preparation, as far as preparation is concerned, how is it?
See, it's always hoping for the best and preparing for the worst. So, keeping that in mind, we are also not taking any chances. If in case, God forbid, the third wave does come in, we have to make sure that things are in place and we don't find ourselves overwhelmed. So we're looking at things in that manner, and as I said, hoping for the best but preparing for the worst.